Let's take a look at McClelland's theory of needs. McClelland's theory of needs proposes achievement, power, and affiliation are three important needs. McClelland's theory of needs was developed by David McClelland and his associates. Compared to Maslow's hierarchy, these needs are more akin to motivating factors than strict needs for survival. There are three. Need for achievement is the drive to excel, to achieve in relationship, and to set standards. Need for power is the need to make others behave in a way that they would not have otherwise. Need for affiliation is the desire for friendly and close interpersonal relationships. In general, high achievers perform best when they perceive their probability of success as 50%. They like to set goals that require stretching themselves a bit. Based on prior nAch research, we can predict that some relationships between nAch and job performance exist. When employees have a high level of nAch, they tend to exhibit more positive modes and be interested in the task at hand. The need for achievement has received a great deal of research attention and acceptance in a wide variety of fields, including organizational behavior, psychology, and business. The degree to which we have each of the three needs is difficult to measure, and therefore the theory is difficult to put into practice. A behavior may be directed at satisfying many different needs, and many different behaviors may be directed at satisfying one given need, making needs difficult to isolate and examine. The concepts are helpful, but they're not often used objectively.